Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Stuff. Do subscribe my channel for the latest updates. In this video, I am going to tell about biggest off-campus hiring drive for software development engineering roles. There are 1500 plus jobs and internships opening through this dare to compete scorecard. Salaries up to 32 lakhs and Stephen they provide up to 90,000 per month. Registration deadline is 19 September. Only individual participation is allowed. Registration fee is 499 rupees. This offer is only for first 11,000 applications only. After that, they'll increase the amount for registration. So hurry up to register for this. There are many companies, like there are more than 30 companies hiring through this scorecard, like Myntra, Walmart, JustPay. You can see all details of the companies who are hiring through this score. Okay. Stages and timelines of this drive is general aptitude assessment, which is conducted on 13th September to 19th September. It's like MCQ assessment. After that, soft skills assessment, which is on 13th September to 19th September. And then interview with the dream company. Based on your performance in the above assessments, like you're going to have evolution and computer science fundamentals exam, which is on 13th September to 19th September, and elementary coding assessment. It is optional, like this will test you on two very basic logical coding problems and one advanced data structures and algorithmic problems. This is an optional test, but this is required for few companies. We recommend taking this assessment as well. Like we have so many companies hiring through this scorecard. Only few companies ask for the coding assessment score. That is optional, but it's better to take so that you will increase the interview options. Like based on your performance in 4 assessment, companies will shortlist you for the interview, and the timelines and other details will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates only. One last round and the job is yours. Impress the interviewer and show them that you are right person for that job. Okay. Okay. They have given the guidelines to participate, how to participate. First, you need to register and complete your application, and then you need to participate in the 4 assessments, which is general aptitude, logical reasoning MCQ, basic programming fundamentals MCQ test, and soft skills test, and coding questions test. And based on your assessment, the scorecard is issued. From that scorecard, companies will recruit you and they'll ask you for the interviews, call you for the interviews. Okay. Who is eligible for this is students who are looking for the first job or internship and pre-placement offers, who are pursuing the BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA students. Batch of 2022 and 2023 are eligible for this. Okay. Freshers and work experience candidates looking for the first job or a new job. Same like BTech, BE, MTech, ME and MCA degree students with 0 to 2 years of working experience. Batches of 2021, 2020 and 2019. The minimum requirements of 50% in 10th and 12th standards, while other graduation and all, you need to have 60% in your academics. What else you are going to get through this registration is you get a featured and certified through the competitive edge in front of recruiters, and you'll get a unlimited access to a wide variety of existing and upcoming courses for 12 months. Dare2C Pro membership worth, which is $9.99 for once you enroll yourself for Dare2C recruitables. Your profile and scorecard will be visible to the hiring partners for the next 6 months. Like if you write this assessment, your scorecard will be visible for the recruiters for 6 months. It is valid for 6 months. Okay. They have given the payment details for registration. For the first 1,000 applicants, only 99 rupees. For the next 10,000 applicants, 499 rupees. And for the next 10,000 applicants, they need to pay 699, and the rest will be 999. Through this registration, they are giving membership subscription worth 990 rupees, 999 rupees, which gives you access of all Dare2C courses for 12 months free as a part of Dare2C recruitables. So through registering this, you are benefitable as of 1,998 rupees. Imported dates are 19 September, 13 September, 19 September of 2020-21. If you have any queries, uh, do mail to this mail, support@dare2compute.com. They have mentioned few FAQs. Okay. For registration, click on register and then register for this drive. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for latest updates of off-campus hiring and on-campus hiring. Thank you.